Hey everyone! So your YouTube videos won't download? Let me show you how to fix that real quick. First thing, swipe down from the top of your screen to check your internet connection. Make sure you're actually connected to Wi-Fi or mobile data and it's working properly. Sometimes that's all it is. Okay, now open YouTube and just refresh the app by pulling down on the home page. This clears any temporary glitches. Alright, here's where the real fix happens. Tap your profile picture in the bottom right corner, then tap the gear icon at the top to open Settings. Scroll down and look for Data Saving and tap on that. You'll see a couple options here that might be blocking your downloads. First, turn off Data Saving mode if it's on, then make sure Only Download over Wi-Fi is turned off too. And also, turn off Unrestricted Mobile Data if you see it. Once you've done that, tap back to go to the main settings page. Now tap on Downloads to see your download options. Try downloading your video now and it should work. Those data saving settings were basically preventing YouTube from downloading anything. And that's it. Your YouTube downloads should be working perfectly now.